Welcome to another incredible afternoon on the 5 Drive Africa Tour. And here we are in Lesotho, where we decided to go and do a bunch of thrill-seeking activities.
And that's the only 2 wheels. And it looks very short. Do you sit on it or do you stand on it? I don't understand.
It looks like pieces to the bike are missing. Like the builder was trying to make it and they were like, no, I'm tired, but you guys can make something from here.
Just make sure that your heel is touching on this frame.
It's called monster rolling. I'd never even heard about this before.
It looks like a normal scooter that, you know, like children play on, but it had like thick wheels, like thick wheels.
So we'll take it easy. So if you want to go a little bit faster, you can.
That's probably gonna be me.
Please don't mess up the mood. Yeah, I work too hard for it. No, I need to beat it before you mess up the mood.
My brakes don't work. He's on the move. I'm coming on you. That was insane, bro. I'm pretty sure the camera dude bailed.
That was intense. I feel like you need training to do this course, man.
Then we turned around and we realized Bibi and Nadia are walking down the hill.
No. Listen, we did it in intervals. So we would roll, monster roll a while, and then when it got too steep or the turn got too hectic and we almost fell off, then we stopped and walked a little bit and then continued. Oh, wait. Yay, the end.
I have lost 10 kgs. If you want to learn how to lose 10 kilograms in 30 minutes, follow me and ask me how.